Hello everyone, welcome back to Youth and Academy. Today I'm going to be sharing something essential, something very important for you to master English pronunciation, for you to improve your pronunciation and English accents. And that thing is called shadowing. Shadowing is one of the techniques that's going to help you to improve in record time. Right? In this video, I'm going to explain how you can do it. The first thing you have to do is for you to get a transcript. What kind of transcript? You have to know your level first. You have to know your level. So that will guide you on the kind of text you must get. Do you get that? For example, if you are in A1 level, B2 level, or the other, you have to know your level. So get a transcript of your level. It can be a story. It can be for a story. It can be for speech or article. Do you get that? So after getting that, you have to get the recording of that transcript. It might be video or audio. Then after that, you have to listen to the native speaker or a fluent speaker. Listen to the person, then repeat after the person. Listen, then repeat after the person. But before you do the listen and repeat, you have to listen to everything first, or maybe you might take it paragraph by paragraph. You have to listen to the first paragraph, listen to it like 3 times. After that, you have to play it again and try to know where the speaker is pausing. Do you get that? So, for example, the speakers say something like this. Little Red Riding Hood. You pause there, then you repeat that. Do you get that? All right. So that's going to help you. Another thing that I believe that's going to help you, which has really helped me as well, is this. You have to use what we call pipe. Yeah, what we call pipe, or a kind of straight line like this. You have to put it where the speaker is pausing. So if you're having a short pause, you have to put one slash or one straight line. You have to put it there. After the pause, you have to put it there. If the speaker is having a long pause, you have to put 2 slashes. Together, listen to this, and I really want you to shadow this. Listen and repeat after me. It's a story from the British Council. The story is a famous one, which I believe you might know. It's called Little Red Riding Hood. Listen and repeat after me. Little Red Riding Hood lived in a wood with her mother. One day, Little Red Riding Hood went to visit her granny. She had a nice cake in a basket. On her way, Little Red Riding Hood met a wolf. "Hello," said the wolf. "Where are you going?" "I'm going to see my grandmother. She lives in the house behind those trees." The wolf ran to Granny's house and ate Granny up. He got into Granny's bed.